Welcome back, guys. In this video, we'll talk about another important part of market research, and that is assessing your competitors for gaps in the market. By doing so, you can identify areas where you can offer unique solutions and differentiate your business to gain a competitive edge. Let's dive in. The first step in assessing competitors is to identify who they are. Make a list of your direct competitors in the market, which are the businesses offering similar services to your target audience. The second step is to research competitor offerings. Carefully analyze the services and solutions provided by your competitors. Look at their features, pricing, and overall value proposition. Identify any gaps or areas where their offerings might be lacking and ask yourself how you can do it better. Gather customer feedback and reviews about your competitors' offerings. Look for common complaints, pain points, or unmet needs expressed by their customers. This provides insights into areas where their solutions might be falling short. Next, analyze their marketing and branding strategies. Examine things such as marketing messages, branding, and positioning strategies employed by your competitors. Look for any gaps in their messaging or areas where they are not effectively communicating their unique value proposition. This can help you identify opportunities to offer a distinct and appealing solution. Additionally, it is essential to keep monitoring industry trends. Stay informed about the latest developments, emerging technologies, and evolving customer demands within your industry. By doing so, you can identify any gaps or unexplored areas that your competitors may not be addressing yet. These gaps present opportunities for you to provide innovative and unique solutions to meet the emerging needs of customers. You can also conduct a SWOT analysis of your competitors. Evaluate their strengths and weaknesses to identify areas where you can offer superior solutions. Look for opportunities where your competitors might be missing out due to their limitations or challenges. Finally, seek customer input. Engage with your target audience through surveys, interviews, or focus groups to understand their needs, pain points, and desired solutions. Ask them about their experiences with your competitors and where they see potential gaps in the market. This direct customer input is invaluable in identifying areas for unique solutions. Based on your research and analysis, brainstorm innovative ideas and solutions that address the identified gaps in the market. Focus on providing value-added features, superior customer experience, or niche solutions that set you apart from the competition and offer unique solutions that address unmet customer needs. This is how you'll make your stand. That's it for this video, and thank you for following along. In the upcoming video, we'll discuss the concept of creating your ideal customer and why it's important to do so. Take care, and until then.